Hi, I'm Rachel Spencer, a registered dietitian and OncoPower's Director of Nutrition. Cancer patients often complain of a lack of appetite, just the absolute no desire to eat. This can be caused by a lot of things related to cancer. It could be fatigue, depression, anxiety, worry about your treatment, or it could be caused by where the cancer is located itself. No matter what the cause, there are some broad recommendations that I would like to make for you all. First of all, the traditional American diet is made up of a big breakfast, lunch, and dinner, maybe a couple of snacks in between. If you are battling a low appetite, it can be extremely intimidating to sit down to a big plate of food like that. You may not even want to start eating because you know you're not going to finish. Instead of this big meal pattern, switching to small, frequent meals can often be better tolerated. So maybe having 6 to 8 snacks a day will ensure that you meet your nutrition goals, but aren't as intimidated by big plates of foods. If you choose to do this, you want to make sure that each snack is nutritionally balanced with a carbohydrate, a protein, a fat, and a fruit or a vegetable each time you are eating. Good examples would be a slice of whole wheat toast with peanut butter and banana slices, macaroni and cheese with some steamed broccoli mixed in, or cheese and crackers with some sliced up vegetables. All of these are nutritionally balanced and kind of count as mini meals in order to meet your nutrition goals. You may also want to think about adding in extra fat to all of your meals. We know that fat is the most calorically dense macronutrient, meaning it has the most energy. So adding in extra butter and cheese, sauces and gravies to the foods that you're eating can make sure that you have enough energy to get throughout your day. You always want to make sure that you are weighing yourself every week. You don't have to weigh yourself every day, as most people have kind of big daily fluctuations just based on whether or not they use the bathroom that day, how much water they drank, etc. But once a week, maybe choose Thursday as your day, wake up in the morning, use the bathroom, weigh yourself on a scale, and write down the number. Make sure that you are paying attention to the number, and if you notice that it's going down, you should have a conversation with your care team to make sure that they can implement any changes they need so that your nutrition status stays up to snuff. If you would like more personalized recommendations, please reach out to the registered dietitians at OncoPower.com. I know that each and every person is a little bit different, so we want to make sure that everyone is taken care of.